Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing, testing. All right, so we're back live again today, and we're gonna go ahead and install AWX. But look, I want you guys to know about Case DevOps Hub. You can go ahead and go on over to school. I will drop the link at the bottom of this video so that you can also have the link and make it clickable. I want you guys to go ahead and join a new school account. I'm going to go ahead and copy that and drop it in the chat. So this is Case DevOps Hub on school. Go ahead and join our community on school. All right, that's Case DevOps Hub. All right, just so that you know that, follow that link. Go ahead and make that happen. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. I finally got to. All right, I'm gonna remove that AWX right there and go ahead, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and install it. But in the meantime, check out that link to the school site. All right, so you want the first things first, you want to go to the AWX repository, go to the home, and just git clone. It's right here. And I made this bigger so everybody could see this time. I know people really couldn't see. So I want to redo this and let everyone see it in real time. And we can bring this over into the window. All right, so now that that's installed, you want to CD AWX. And if you don't already have, CD. want cd tools ls, and then we want to say, oh, it has several, but if you don't have Docker Compose, depending on what you're on, you want to just go ahead and install that. All right, Docker. So I do have Docker already set up in my system. Good. But if you don't, if you're on Debian-based system, or you're on Red Hat, Fedora, or something like that, you need to use DNF or yum install Docker. Okay. And you should be able to have Docker Compose stand it up. So we're going to do Docker Compose up dash. But we can, let's look at the files first. We have Docker Compose. And that's where we want to go first. And AWX manage. That's not it. Oh, there we go. Containers.conf. So these are the different containers. LS again. Have log, okay. And then let's see the podman count containers. That's the volumes. Oh, override YAML. All right, so log stash is in here. It's gonna be on the host name log stash. All right, so that's good. So we're just gonna do Docker Compose up dash D. All right, we're gonna do launch.awx. I'm gonna go ahead and bootstrap our environment. This is not anything like what the documentation says. Let's see, readme. Okay, Docker Compose build. Okay, make Docker Compose build. Let's try that. Docker Compose. Okay, we did get clone AWX. Inventory. So it's saying the inventory stuff. Build the image. Okay, so it says the AWS base container image defined the Docker file template from dockerfile.j2. So I gotta get there. I gotta find this Docker file J2. No templates. It said right. Templates. See there. That's logging. Did they really remove all their? Oh, and this allows containers.yaml. That might be it right there. No, that's an Ansible command. So that's not right. All right, I'm gonna go back to the 17 then. This is not right. Scripts, rsyslog. You said Docker compose. I'm not seeing any Docker compose anything. And then I run launch. It saying it. I'm about to get rid of that. And I'm gonna go ahead and download the later version. This kid. What's in there? So we're gonna have to go back over here, and we want to get clone brand, the SB. So I need to use it on the older version to do that. So I have to do git clone -b on this older one. I know it's a 17. What's it, 18? Let's see. All right, so this is when they switched over to Kubernetes. So we need to go back one more to 17. I'll do 17.10. Good. Let's check that install guide. Excuse me if I'm being a little fast. I'm just trying to go ahead and get. Okay. All right, cool, sweet. This looks like what we need right here. All right, so we got. All right, so this is Docker Compose stuff. All right, perfect. So this we'll go ahead and install. All right. So we want 17.1.0. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. All right. here. And this is not an easy install to do. This is why it's not widespread adoption. I always wondered why Ansible never took off, and it's because Red Hat made it ridiculous in every level. But yeah, this is why Ansible never really took off, and it should have been the next biggest thing. Because Ansible wouldn't do everything, interact with servers, network devices, and do infrastructure management. But you make it so ridiculous, nobody's going to use it. They're trying to close off everything so much. All right, Ansible Playbook. If you don't have it, install it with yum install Ansible Playbook. And you're going to do I for inventory, which should be local. Let's look at that first before I'm just doing anything. Cat inventory. Oh yeah, local host. Ansible connection is local and it's using Python 3 environment, so that's cool. So we wanted to clear this out, and we're gonna run that real quick again. And this is where I'm getting it from right here. Ansible playbook dash I installer. Oh, inventory, I'm sorry. Install.yaml, and we run it. All right, we got our first error, so that's a good sign. We need to set the admin password. Alright, admin password is going to be password. It's development. No big deal. Alright, so it's actually setting up a lot of the paths. Let's see if we have some issues. What is it? Brew install Python 3. Let's see if they have Docker Compose or something. What is it trying to do? Docker Compose. All right, so I'm gonna search for Docker Compose inside all the files in this directory. We don't care about that one. We want the build. So it's not there either. So where is, so it must be in roles. Oh, shoot. Thank you. All right. Where was that at? Docker. Test. All right, we're going to see in here. Let's see. Can I? Oh, what am I doing? Oh my goodness. All right. So I'm telling in or SSH into my Debian server. This is easy. All right, 3. Or actually, Docker Compose. made things so much easier. There we go. So now I should be able to run this. Come on. Oh, an even bigger error. Oh yeah, something already running on port 80. So I gotta change the address on that. What file is this? Is that the Ansible.conf? Shoot. Awesome. Here we go. We're gonna change that. We're gonna change this to port 8080 and this to 8443. And if you're wondering, this is in the inventory file. Okay, so that's where that port is at. Host port 8080, 8443, because I have conflicts already on that port. Let's run it again. All right, let's get it. It's going. It's going. I gotta open the port now. Let's see if this is working. What is it? 8080, I said? Oh. Alright, so we're listening on port 8080. So we got an issue there. What's on? If I go to 80, will that come up? Oh, let me check my IP. Might be trying to SSH to the wrong. I might have typed the wrong IP in the browser. No, 192. What did I put? 2.168.153. Let's see. HTTPS. No. No. 8080 is not secure. What? Let me grab. What? Yeah, what network am I on? Oops. Let me not do that. I'm back. Why am I having problems with that page? Alright, let's see what's going on here. I gotta go back in. Alright, I'm gonna check the firewall status real quick. Off screen. Alright. Let's see what we have here. What? What? Why is it that I can't? Well, I'm just gonna RDP here, guys. I can't keep messing with that. Alright. Alright, we're gonna look at the localhost. And we're gonna say 8080. Alright, there we go. Password? What's the password for this? Alright. So we got one host, one set of inventory files. And there we go. This is how it looks when you get in AWX. Info, drop down help about, admin user details. None of that's in there. I can blow this up so y'all can see it at home. Right? And you'll see all the red hat information. It's from 2019. One host in the inventory file. I'll blow this out so it doesn't look so crazy. It'll be local host, demo inventory. You can edit this and make your own YAML changes and stuff like that. So, or if you want to shell, something like that. That's another command. Just depends whatever you want to use. You can set up organizations, instance groups from here. Do JSON format, host, sources, completed jobs. So it's pretty clean, pretty smooth, but not the easiest thing to set up necessarily. You can schedule jobs in it. And you have management jobs. Must be what? So yeah, there's none in there, but it should give you some type of example. So, and then when you run stuff, it does show what user initiated it, which one is running it. Demo job template is for examples, access, notifications, complete jobs and surveys. And you can have templates like that. Workflow approvals, credentials. You can put your credentials in here. Projects, inventories, hosts. Do you want to get facts, yes or no? Which is like all the information of about one of the hosts, like the OS, the of course IP address, MAC address, all the settings about that device. That's what that would do for your facts, right? Do you want to gather all that? Or do you want to run quickly and just do the job that you want to run on it? But yeah, that's basically it for that. Let me see. All right. Routers, or let's say update routers. So run, not a check. And then you would check the inventory. There's only one inventory group right now. That's the project. And then we have to choose a playbook. We have to add that in. Then if there's credentials that need to be provided for logging in, you'll put it there. Any type of label you want to have. And then the variables you want to use. And then you would just save it. You have more settings down here. Azure AD settings, Google OAuth, LDAP, so you can connect it to one of those for authentication. You have your logging settings, activity stream, miscellaneous, and job settings. All right, remember, like, comment, subscribe, and check out the next video, all right?